What's up, guys? Welcome to part 3. The Bulls are winning 54-36.
And this is Josh and Tanner again.
Wow.
Part 3, right? You just said?
Yeah, part 3.
Alright, part 3. Let's do this.
Oh, I have the ball.
Basketball sucks.
Basketball's awesome.
Puerto Rican! You're Puerto Rican! Oh, stuff! My black guy. I don't know why, but black people have mad hops. Like that kid right there, but he's not black. Dang it. I must be wrong.
Oh, if only.
Personal foul. What the heck? Is it because I'm white?
Yeah. But,
This game hates me because I'm white. Is it supposed to be a black person's game or something?
Yeah. That's why I'm winning.
Where's that Johnson kid? Oh, he's right there. Okay, I'm good. Oh, look at this Parrish! Oh, you suck.
Stop having orgasms because you're missing threes.
Ready? This kid's... Jordan sucks. He wasn't a good defenseman.
Yeah, he was.
No, he wasn't.
Yeah, Jordan was great defensively.
No, he wasn't.
Yeah, he was.
Is it because I'm white? Stop making fun of me. He wasn't good.
Jordan was great defensively. Are you kidding
Shut up.
me?
He's white. Leave him alone.
He was just as good defensively as he was offensively.
Shut up. He's white.
Maybe even better.
Jordan's white. Shut up. Leave him alone.
Jordan's black.
He's white.
He's black.
Are you making fun of him because there's no white people playing? There's like 2 white people playing on my team.
Boom.
Okay, maybe 4. There's like 4 people on my team that are white, and they're all on the ice. I meant.
Everybody on our team's white, except for Parrish.
Are you kidding me? Freaking fat Puerto Ricans keep robbing us.
There's no fat Puerto Ricans.
Look at it. Look at it. Mikkel. Oh, slam dunk, baby.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm changing my people. Look at it. Look at it.
Yugoslavia!
Okay.
Did you just change the camera on me?
Yes.
And I still hit it.
Hey, no. Leave that alone, buddy.
No. Bruh, come on.
Hey, no. It's my turn. I want to beat it. Oh! Oh! Oh!
I don't care. Should be that. Boom. Watch
Keep
me
it
be
on
ball and lack, Shack and Mellow, Shack and Mellow, Shack and Mellow, Shack and Mellow.
You know what it is. Angel just hit a 3 from deep range. Hey, that was pretty beast. I just saw that too. You know what it is. Everything I am, cause I'm white. Angel just got that 3 right there too.
Rebounded by Mikhail.
Stop making fun of him. Is it because he's white again? Really?
I wasn't making fun of him.
Yeah, you were.
I said
You
rebounded by Mikhail.
Oh, I thought you said making fun of him, Mikhail. You ain't gonna make it, white boy.
I'm black.
You got no hops, white boy.
Skills.
Really? Because I'm white? They put the timer right there because I'm white. Look at that kid. He's so ugly, like, for real. Now this freaking fat guy is freaking getting in range. William. Stitching.
Put Rodman back in.
Whoever ends out on there first. Okay, I'm just going back to the tall. 3 points right there. Alright guys, I'm white, so we're gonna start this game.
Start the 4th quarter. Jordan's been a boss. Like right there.
Look at that white boy. Freaking mad hot. The white boy got the ball. The white boy's bringing it up. No, he's not. The white boy has the ball. He's bringing it up. The white boy freaking drops it, and the freaking black guy picks it up.
Why? He's white.
Stop making fun of black people.
I'm not. Yugoslavia!
Oh, look at that fail. Freaking fatty missed that. Oh, I'm gonna go around him. Ready?
Oi!
You missed because you suck.
Interesting.
Yes, it is interesting. Oh, white boy brings up the ball again. White boy's getting ready to shoot. White boy shoot. No, he passes it. Why does he pass it? Like, for real, he's white. He should be making all those shots.
Beat 4-0 in this quarter. I'm sucking. Taking Jordan out of the game.
Why would you take out the... See, now you're racist because you're taking out somebody white. Like, for real?
Jordan's black.
You really want more black people on the court than white? Like, for real?
No, I'm taking out Jordan and I'm putting in Steve Kerr.
Okay, so you're putting in a black guy.
Steve Kerr's white.
Okay, now you're putting in a white guy. Okay, good. Now you have the same amount of white people on the court.
Just Jordan's hurting my team. I want him out.
No, your mom's hurting the team. Oh,
Yeah,
look
she
at
is.
that!
Oh!
Oh, I missed.
Is that your mom shirtless in the stands up there?
Hey, hey, buddy. Hey, whoever's watching this, your mom's right there. Ah, made you look. No, for real, but your mom's in the yellow shirt in the left stands. On the left. If you look, you can see her.
She's black.
Made you look. If you're white, your white mom's right there. If you're black, your black mom's right there. Made you look. Again.
Yo, mom.
Yo, mama jokes are so funny. If you guys get this joke, then tell me. If Pete and Repeat were on a boat and Pete fell off, who was left? Repeat, right? Okay, if Pete and Repeat were on a boat and Pete fell off, who was left? Repeat again, right? Okay, if Pete and Repeat were on a boat and Pete fell off, who was left? Oh, Repeat again. Okay. If Pete and Repeat were on a boat and Pete fell off, who was left? Repeat. Oh, okay, you want me to do it again? Okay. If Pete and Repeat were on a boat and Pete fell off, who was left? Repeat. No, I'm not repeating it again, freaking fatty. And that's the joke. Pete and Repeat were on a boat.
Yugoslavia!
No, you suck.
Satan!
Satan, where?
I said that.
Satan is fighting! Ooh, you're gonna miss that. The guy has a messed up hair, man.
Dennis Rodman was good when he's with the Pistons, but then he got to the Bulls, he just became an idiot.
Because he's white?
He's black!
He's white.
He's black!
Don't be making fun of white people, white boy. Why you making
Dennis Rodman is black!
Why you making fun of your own color, boy?
I'm white!
Yeah, why you making fun of your own color?
Dennis Rodman's black. You called him white.
Yeah, why you making fun of your own color?
I'm not! Dennis Rodman is black!
No, he's not. He's white.
No!
Yes, he is.
He's black.
Your mom. No, he's white, just like your mom.
Bill Wennington.
Okay,
The
we're
three.
getting really racist in this movie.
Movie?
I'm not movie. Freaking. Okay, I'm tired.
Who's on crack now?
Your mom. In my bed.
Yeah, you're right.
In my bed.
Yeah. She's a slut.
No, I'm not gonna be home tonight. No, I'm gonna miss her. I'm gonna miss her so much. Okay, I'm kidding, guys. We're so racist in this movie. I don't know why.
Oh no! No! I'm only up by 13.
Hey, I'm coming back.
Yeah, I know you are.
I'm pretty good, guys, right?
It's okay. It's because I took Jordan out.
If you guys think you could beat us at XX Saints Fan, Monte Carlo Racing, or Mark Miller.
Oh, DJ, it's the 3.
But Monte Carlo Racing and XX Saints Fan is mine, which is Josh. So, please like, subscribe.
Boom, Pippin hits the 3.
Oh wait, there's only 1 more minute left. Oh, I'm coming back. I'm gonna
2
beat
minutes
this
left.
bad boy. Oh, what the heck?
You know what? Jordan.
Stitching the call. I'm gonna put in Smith.
Gilbert. Rod. I'm putting in the weirdest lineup ever. I have Dennis Rodman, who's like 6'7" in center.
But if you're a chick and you like war games, like Call of Duty or something, add Monte Carlo Racing. And then take my number. You have to talk to my name first, so. But for real, like, I would really add you, because I'm like that.
Guess what? Jordan.
Hey, guess what? He's gonna miss, because he's white.
Guess what? He's gonna dunk!
Oh, a white boy dunking? That's like, what's his face? Griffin.
He's black, and Robert Griffin is half black.
He's not half black.
Yeah,
What are
he
you
is.
talking about, white boy? Make fun of your own color, too, again? Freaking stop making fun of your own color, man. Freaking
Okay, I'm confused.
Just
I don't know
dye
who's
yourself.
black or who's white now.
Just die yourself.
Jordan just blocked Walton. Simple. Alley-oop!
You suck.
I'm white. And Blake Griffin is half black.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
Hey, whoever thinks I'm gonna make this, then like me.
Oh, you missed it.
No.
So no, you get no likes. And he missed it too.
Because he sucks. Freaking whole Celtics team sucks. They say they're so good and they freaking overall, but they suck really bad. Freaking personal foul.
Put Jordan on the line. Yeah, boy.
I'm gonna come back and win this. JK, there's like.
You have a minute left. You have a minute
I'm
left.
gonna laugh. I just get threes.
You have a
straight
minute
threes.
left, and I'm up by 17.
What the heck? Oh my god, really? Oh, out of bounds. You suck.
Yeah, you get the ball. Get one out of one. Load up on guns and bring your friends. It's fun to lose and to pretend. Hello, 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 hello.
Okay, stop singing. You suck at singing.
Hello, hello, entertainers. I don't know the lyrics. I don't know the lyrics of the song and blah blah blah.
Alright, if you guys like Lecrae and you know Lecrae, then you might know the song Background. I can sing half that song to you, because I like literally love that song and I know the song like that.
Chew your meat for you. Pass it.
Why are you so racist? Because he's black? He's a black singer? You only like white singers or something, Canada?
Kiss
Do not add white
from
music.
my mouth to yours.
Okay, shut up! You can't sing for crap! Okay, if you guys think he sucks at singing, then dislike this so bad.
I suck at singing.
Dislike us if you think he sucks at singing. Okay, no, JK, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, don't dislike us if you think I suck at singing. Because I suck at singing. But you're gonna dislike the video anyhow because it sucks.
Well, not really, because I suck, so of course we're gonna get really much.
Just dribble the clock out, dude. Because we
No,
don't
I'm
have much
just gonna
time
shoot.
left.
Let's just keep shooting from half court. Oh, whoever makes it in first wins. Personal foul. You suck.
I know.
I'm coming
Kukoc.
back.
Tony Kukoc! Yugoslavia!
Why are you making fun of black people?
What?
Why are you making fun of black people?
I'm not making fun of black people.
Oh, so you're making fun of white people then?
I'm not making fun of white people. I yelled
So
Yugoslavia.
you're making fun of Barney.
Ernie?
Barney!
Oh.
Ernie? Half court, you retard.
Gonna dribble it out, gonna be a good sport.
Really? You gonna be a noob? Little freaking black guy? Freaking black Puerto Rican right here? You suck.
And the game's over, basically.
No, keep playing.
I
Not
win
till the
7
buzzer
to
goes
7.
off. Not till the buzzer goes off.
There's, I'm not gonna be able to upload this video because it's so long.
No, we can upgrade it.
Upload it.
Upload it, same thing.
It might be too long.
No, it's okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, you suck! Okay, let's get it.
0.7 seconds left.
Alright, peace out, bro. I love you all.
Blech!